Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to animate your own maps in Canva? Let's make it super simple together. Click Create, then select Videos. Choose the Landscape Video option from the available choices. Next, we need to upload our map file. Click the Upload button, locate your map on your device, and select it to continue. Click the Upload button, then select Upload Files. In the file browser, locate your animated map image named animatedmap.png. Select it and click Open. The file will upload and appear in your project's file list. Before downloading, click the map to select it. Here you can see the map that will be used. To add new elements, go to the toolbar and select the Add Element button. Choose the type of element you want from the list. After adding it to your workspace, select the element you'd like to animate. Click on the Animate tab at the top, then pick an animation style from the available options. Preview the animation to make sure it looks right before continuing. Drag from this point to the designated area to begin creating the line. Make sure you're starting exactly at the first mark and ending precisely at the second mark indicated on your screen. With your mouse button held down, drag steadily, following the guide to ensure your line is straight. Release the mouse button once you reach your endpoint. This adds the new line segment between these 2 points. Confirm the line appears as intended before moving on to the next step. To adjust the line, first click directly on the line you want to modify. You'll see selection handles appear around it. If you want to move the line, click and drag it to a new location. For resizing, hover over one of the ends until you see a double-sided arrow, then click and drag to change its length or angle. Make sure the line aligns with your design for a clean look. If you want to delete it, press the Delete key on your keyboard. These steps help you ensure that your lines are precise and placed exactly where you need them. First, make sure this object appears before the others. Select the first object, then set it to appear as the initial step. Next, choose the line beneath it. For this line, add an Animate Up effect. Go to the Animation options and select Animate Up from the list of available entrances. Finally, adjust the animation settings to increase the speed or intensity depending on your preference or the requirements of your project. Review the animation order to confirm the sequence is correct for your presentation. Increase the value to make the effect more prominent. Next, let's animate the line. Select the line layer, then click the stopwatch icon beside the property you want to animate. Move the playhead to your desired end time, then adjust the property to complete the wipe animation. This will create a smooth, animated line that wipes across your composition as the timeline plays. To begin, create a new file to start your project. Next, have Travis trigger the initial action to move the process forward. Now, I'll generate these empty pop elements as placeholders. These pops will be used to visually organize and display the content we'll add later. Be sure to keep each pop empty for now. This ensures that everything remains flexible for future updates. Once the pops are set up, you can move on to populating them as needed throughout your project for dynamic and clear layout management. Inside the application, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the Thank You message section on the left-hand panel. Click on it to open customization options. Here, you can edit the text to personalize your thank you note. Adjust font style, size, and color as needed to match your brand. When you are satisfied with your changes, click the Save button at the top right corner. The updated thank you message will now appear to users after their actions are completed within the platform. Click the play button in the bottom center of the screen to start the video. Wait a moment while the video loads and begins playing. You can pause or resume playback at any time by clicking the play or pause button. Adjust the volume using the slider next to the speaker icon. Now you can animate maps in Canva with ease. If you found this useful, like and subscribe for more creative tips.